Hello guys and welcome to TJstech. Today we're looking at the super slow motion feature on the Samsung Galaxy S9. The Samsung S9 has a super slow motion mode that's built into the camera. So let me show you exactly how you can use this feature. Just open the camera and swipe left to activate super slow-mo. Tap the record button to start recording. Super slow motion will start when something moves in the square. Tap on auto to switch the slow motion manually. Then, when recording, you will see the slow motion button to the right. Remember that super slow-mo takes a 0.2 second section of video and expands it to roughly 6 seconds, so this may take some practice to get used to. Here are a few examples of mine. So grab an S9 or an S9 Plus and try it out for yourselves. I'll see you guys next time.